Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this card kit model and just weathered it and gave it a little bit more detail by putting some guttering here using this model guttering kit. So I weathered it by using these just model paints that I had. So I love making these card kit models. I think they're fantastic to make. They're really easy and good fun, and they're great for your model railways. So in the card kit you get the plastic windows, the card with the artwork on, and then the grey card inner walls and the instructions. All you need is some glue, sharp knife and some scissors. So I'm just using this all-purpose glue. I don't really recommend it, it's a bit messy, so I've seen some card kit glue that you can get, and I'll be trying that in the future. One of the things I found useful was using a metal ruler to guide the knife to make a nice sharp edge. You can also use cotton buds and tissue just to wipe any of the excess glue. Fill all the edges in with a bit of paint. You can use a pencil or a pen just in the edges. Here I use these modelling paints to weather the walls of the building. Here I attach some gutters alongside the building just to give it a bit more realism look. They come from a plastic kit that I had, and yeah, they're just glue on, and I did give them a bit of a paint with a black wash, and yeah, I think they look great. So just by adding a few of those details to the building, the gutters and the window ledge, the chimney, and just painting it over a little bit just to give it a bit of a weathering effect, I think it's really gave it a bit of an upgrade, and I'm just really happy how it came out. Well, I really enjoyed making that card kit. I think it looks fantastic. It's got a lot of detail. You can upgrade it, and I can't wait to start putting it on my model railway and start building all the scenery. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.